at the Ao Dai Museum, District 9 through Duck City. $50,000 for the entry fee. Ao Dai History Exhibition. Oh, this must be a long hallway of the Ao Dai. Look at those old sewing machines. Wow, this is a long hallway. You need at least a half hour in here. So I'm gonna give you a very quick preview. I think these are all the Ao Dais from different time periods, different influence, different Ao Dai designers. Ooh, they're beautiful. I'm gonna take the time to read the articles. They have it in Vietnamese and English. And learn about the culture, especially for clothing fashion designers. I suggest spending time here. Great place for taking wedding pictures of your girlfriend or wife, out on a date. And $50,000 to get in. And I believe I went backwards because the design, these are dating back 1884 that you see right there. So start out on the right side. Oh, this must be the building where you can try on Ao Dai. All the beautiful, colorful Ao Dai to choose from.
Nãy giờ chụp xong rồi thấy gì không ba?
Let's head upstairs. Look at the beautiful Chinese architecture. Oh wow. Ooh, look at these beautiful Ao Dai. Let's head on outside too. Look at that view.